create a color overlay, the first thing that you need to do is create a new layer. If you go to your bottom right hand corner in your layers palette, you're going to see create a new layer. So you're going to go ahead and click on that. You can also get to it from layer, new, shift control N. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to fill that layer, shift F5, and we want to fill it with a color. So if it says foreground color, you're going to have to change it to color, and then you can use this slider to pick a color, and then you're going to pick the color that you want to use. Once it's selected over here in new, you hit OK, and then you're ready to fill. If you did everything right, it should come up as that bright green. Your first option is to play with the opacity of that layer. That's in your layers panel. You're going to go down, and that's your kind of option 1 for your layer. I'm going to copy that layer. I'm going to show you option 2. I'm going to put the opacity back up. And then let's look at the blend modes. Remember, this is how those two layers are going to interact with each other. So I'm going to try overlay, and you can see rapidly the difference between layer 1 with that and the opacity. The opacity really gives it a foggy look, and then the overlay, you still get that brightness. You could also potentially use screen. Again, it's going to give you a different effect. So this is an opportunity for you to, again, start to play with blend modes and see what options are out there.